Hello viewers, welcome to HMSDESK. Today, let's delve into the world of minimally invasive aortic valve replacement. Minimally invasive aortic valve replacement is a remarkable procedure that involves replacing a damaged or diseased aortic valve with an artificial valve through small incisions, resulting in less trauma, faster recovery, and fewer complications compared to traditional open heart surgery. It is a life-saving intervention that can significantly improve the quality of life for individuals with aortic valve conditions. During the procedure, the surgeon will make small incisions in the chest, usually between the ribs, to access the heart. Specialized instruments and a video camera will be used to guide the surgeon in performing the valve replacement. The damaged valve is removed, and an artificial valve is securely placed in its position. The incisions are carefully closed, resulting in smaller scars and a quicker recovery time. Minimally invasive aortic valve replacement offers several advantages, including reduced blood loss, shorter hospital stays, decreased pain, and faster return to daily activities. It is an excellent option for individuals who are considered suitable candidates based on their specific condition and overall health. Now, you may be wondering about the cost and why you should choose HMSDESK for your minimally invasive aortic valve replacement. Let me address those concerns. HMSDESK is a trusted healthcare facilitator that connects patients with renowned cardiac surgeons and top-quality hospitals. We prioritize your safety, well-being, and satisfaction throughout the entire medical journey. By choosing HMSDESK, you can have peace of mind knowing that you are in the hands of highly skilled and experienced cardiac surgeons who specialize in minimally invasive aortic valve replacement. They work closely with you to assess your specific condition and tailor a treatment plan that meets your unique needs. HMSDESK takes care of all the necessary arrangements for your medical journey. We assist with scheduling appointments, provide guidance on pre-operative preparations, and ensure a comfortable and seamless experience for you. Our dedicated team coordinates all necessary tests, consultations, and follow-up care, ensuring comprehensive support throughout the process. When it comes to the cost, it may vary depending on various factors such as the specific procedure, the location of the hospital, and the facilities provided. On average, the cost of minimally invasive aortic valve replacement can range from $10,000 to $35,000, but it is essential to consult with your surgeon and discuss the cost details for your specific case. We understand the importance of personalized care, and our team will be there to address any questions or concerns you may have. Your well-being and satisfaction are our top priorities. So, if you're considering minimally invasive aortic valve replacement to improve your heart health and enhance your quality of life, don't hesitate to contact HMSDESK. We are here to guide you and provide the necessary support. To learn more about our services and how we can assist you, please visit our website at hmsdesk.com or email us at support@hmsdesk.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel to stay updated with the latest healthcare information. Remember, your well-being matters, and we are here to serve you on your journey to a healthier and happier life.